Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Usually I try to do intros while we're out at the location and whomever I'm taking pictures of, but in this particular shoot we didn't have an opportunity to do that because we got rained out. So this video is about a maternity shoot and how my thought process and where we went to get it done, and it was a really beautiful day when we first started. The sunset was perfect, and about 20 minutes into the shoot it starts raining and it's like a freak storm. So luckily we did get some really good shots before the rain, and we got one good shot after the rain, but after that it got too dark and we had to quit. So yeah, when you're in Texas you just kind of have to prepare for the unexpected. But I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.